There are people with games
and stories to tell.
Open wide, come inside. It's play school.
Hello. I'm going to try and ride this bike later, but tyre's flat. Need some
air. Hello. This is the thing that's going to push the air into the tyre. See if you can hear the air coming out when I put it on my hand. Makes sort of squeaky noise. Air in your hair.
Well, may I please have some air in my tyre?
Air in your tyre?
Yes, please.
Certainly. But first, I've got to put this little hose bit on the end here. Screw it in nice and tight. And then that goes down and fits onto here. Turn that round. Screw it in the right way. Nice and tight.
You see that the tyre's all flat and squashy. Needs. Have you heard the mouse at night? Have you heard it squeak? Ooh, I think it's seen Diddle. Look out, Diddle, here comes a mouse. Meow. Got away, Diddle. That mouse got away.
Quiet down there.
Ooh, Diddle, I think you've woken somebody up.
Quiet. I'm trying to sleep. Stop that noise. Shh. Scat cat. Amble's getting very annoyed with that cat. Scat cat, scat. Go. Go away, I'm trying to sleep. Getting very angry now. Psst. Scat. Ooh. Wait till I get my torch. I'll frighten off that cat. Yes. Well, here's your torch. Here's your torch, Hamble. Now we can get something to scare off the cat.
Oh, just a minute then. I tell you what, I'll turn out the lights and then the torch will work better.
All right. You hang on there, Hamble. And here's a soft slipper. Throw that at the cat. That'll frighten it away, but it won't hurt the cat, right? And see the window I've cut out for Hamble? There, she can look out the window.
You ready?
Yes, ready. All right, off for the lights. Oh, where are we? Here I am. Boo! Ha! And there's Hamble. Now, where's that naughty cat? Let's have a look. Where is that cat? There are the windows across the street. Shining. Now, what else? There's the street light and... there's that naughty cat. But it stopped yowling.
Oh, no, it hasn't.
Oh, you naughty cat.